we are told that the coefficients of x square and x cube are both 0 in this expansion of this expression. 1 plus ax plus bx square into 1 minus 3x whole power 15. Right. Then what are this a and b? So x cube, you can come directly here. Right. 1 minus 3x whole power 15. It will have x power 0, x power 1, x power 2, x power 3 up to x power 15. So it can come directly in the form of x cube here, right? Then 1 into this x cube, or we can x square, if it is whatever x square is coming, that coefficient of this x square into this a, that will still make it x cube, right? Similarly, whenever x is coming here, right? So for example, this minus 3x is coming, right? So that coefficient into this b, that will also still make it x cube. Similarly for x square, here whatever x that is coming into this a, or whatever directly x square that is coming into 1, that will also uh, still make it x cube, x square, right? So let us try to find out where all this x cube x square is coming in this x cube x square x is coming in this expression, and then see how to find coefficients using these multiplications also. Okay, so the general term in this expansion, right? 1 minus 3x whole power 15 is tr plus 1 is ncr. N is 15, 15cr, and 1 we can ignore because 1 power n minus r is anyway 1, 1 power 15 minus r. So minus 3x whole power r, which is nothing but 15cr minus 3 power r, x power r. Right. Now we want to find out coefficient of x square, let's say. Then coefficient of x square in this is directly x square, right? One is directly x square, that is 15c2 minus 3 power 2, that is this one. Or we'll take x and a times this x, right? And x power 1, 15c1 minus 3 power 1 into a, that is this case, or this b into directly 1, right? B into directly 1, right? uh, Whatever this one, when 1 is nothing but x power 0, right? 15c0 minus 3 minus 3 power 0, right? So that is this b. So these three together, they will give us the coefficient of x square, which is nothing but 15c2 is 105 into 9, and 15c1 into minus 3, which is minus 45a, plus b should be equal to 0. What does that mean? 45a minus b is equal to 945. So coefficient of x square, right? Coefficient of x square is equal to 0. So we have got 4a minus b equals to 945. That is the relation between a and b. Similarly, let us find coefficient of x cube. Coefficient of x cube is directly x cube here. That is 15c3 minus 3 power 3, or this a into whatever is x square. That is 15c2 minus 3 square into a, or whatever x that is coming here. That is 15c1 minus 3 power 1 into this b, because this x square into this x will also still make it x cube, right? So which is nothing but this will simplify to minus 12285 plus 945a minus 45b. This will still simplify to 21a minus b equals to 273. So basically we have got two expressions in terms of a and b, and if we solve this, we get a comma b as 28 and 315, which is what we are looking for. Basically, what we have done, we have tried to find out what is the coefficient of x cube in this expression, what is the coefficient of x square in this expression. For that, we need to take care when all x cube can form. X cube can come directly here, or x square into this a, or x into this b, coefficient of x into this b, or coefficient of x square into a, right? After that, we just need to solve both the equations, which give us relations between relation between the equation relating a and b, right guys? Thank you.